afternoon, Jim. It's Victor Echo 3, Papa, Charlie, Papa, Rob, up here in Kincardine, Ontario. I won't hold you up too long. I just wanted to do a quick... check-in with you. I added a crisper onto the Electret cartridge in this D104 microphone, and it seems to work pretty well. I also wanted to let you know that there is what seems to be a pretty good SDR online near Ottawa, Ontario, and you might want to copy this on as Victor Echo 3 Hotel Oscar Alpha, and I'm actually recording your show on it right now, and I'll email you the file so you can take a listen to it. It might be something to consider adding to your SDR receivers there. Back to you, KC9VKV, VE3PCP.
Roger. Yeah, I have run across those before. The thing is, though, see, they're north, and what I'm looking for is something kind of between us as opposed to north, because to really utilize those, it would probably have to be coming in from Greenland somewhere, Roger.
Well, actually, Ottawa's not that far north. It's not too far from Montreal. It's a little bit southwest of Montreal, so.
Oh, Roger that. But I'm saying to really benefit me, it would be like a relay from further north on up towards Greenland or whatever.
Greenland or whatever. No problem. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know about that, and the crisper I've added, got a good group there today, so hopefully the crisper I've added sounds okay on your end.
Oh yes, the crisper, beautiful job. Nice S's, just kind of engulfing and evolving around your words. Just absolutely beautiful, sir.
Around your words, just absolutely beautiful, sir. Okay, very good. Well, glad that was working out, and thank you again for the tip on that. And I've added it to, and I've got my compressor at 3, and my LC is running about half scale, so not just loafing along there, and just running 100 watts. Anyway, thanks, Jim. 7-3 for now, and let you carry on. KC9VKV, VE3PCP.
Roger. Well, I just managed to retrieve Milford PA SDR. It kicks me out after 20 minutes for doing nothing, kicks me out after a half hour for doing too much, but I did get it back, and you were like 15 over on Milford, so just beautiful, that last part. If you have any parting words that you would like to be in just absolutely in the clear at 15 over, come back.
Okay, very good, Jim. Milford seems to like the signal from this area, and I'm like I said, I'm just running 100 watts out of the Kenwood TS850, and I've got a 4-band trap vertical hustler on the roof of the house here, so nothing special antenna-wise, but it seems to get me out there. Anyway, thanks again for being there, 7-3, and we'll talk to you again soon. KC9VKV, VE3PCP.
Roger. Now, did you at one time have a low antenna, like about 6 foot or something like that?
I do have a ground mount multi-band fan vertical that I built as well, and it works quite well. I've got 4 bands on it. I've got 17, 20, 30, and 40 on it, and the antenna that I'm on here right now, it's up on the roof of the house, and it's 10, 15, 20, and 40. It's a commercially made antenna, but the multi-band fan vertical is one that I built myself.
Roger that. Yeah, I thought I'd heard that or seen that or something, but you're doing great, man. Just absolutely beautiful. So thanks for checking in, man. And if you get a chance, join us next Friday. We'd love to have you. 3 is that way, sir. This is KC9VKV, the Qso-Vlog net. And we're running now live till 5, about 15 minutes. So if anybody's got a radio they want to check out, give me a shout.